Hi, I'm Dave Mullard. I'm Business Development Manager at Straightpoint, and each week I'm bringing a new technical tip on one of our products. Now, this week's tip, it comes from a customer. I was talking to them and they had a problem with the backlight on the Handheld Plus. Now, usually to switch on the backlight, you would press buttons 1 and 4 at the same time. Now, as we can see, that didn't work, which suggests that there's a problem with the settings, and we just need to go into the menu to change what those settings are. So to do that, if we press buttons 3 and 4 to go into the menu, you'll see then we can scroll down to the backlight off setting and press enter. Now here we can see that the setting had been set at 0, which means that the backlight had been disabled. Now if we press up, we can set that value, and this is in minutes for how long the backlight stays on. So let's set that at 2 minutes, and when we're happy with that, press enter, and then we can exit. And then when we exit out of the menu, now if we press buttons 1 and 4, then the backlight switches on. So it's just useful to know that the backlight can be switched off completely, so you can disable that function, but that you can set that in a number of minutes. Now, the only thing I'd suggest is to keep that to a low amount, so typically 1 or 2 minutes, because the backlight consumes the batteries very, very quickly. So hopefully that's been a useful technical tip for you. Try that out and let me know how you get on. Thanks a lot for watching.